Yes, students, let us continue the class. So, we are discussing the second exercise, third problem of the triangles topic, right? Yes, we'll continue with the third question. I'm going to read the third question. You just check your textbook properly. So, third question is like this. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes. Do you know the meaning of that altitudes? Who is going to give the definition for this altitudes? Altitudes means what? Altitudes. Yes, height. Height in the sense this is the perpendicular line. Okay. Altitudes are nothing but always the perpendicular line. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Okay. Altitudes are drawn. So while reading this type of problem, you have to be very careful. Here it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. For that equal sides, two altitudes are drawn. Actually, altitudes name BE and CF. Okay. Show that these altitudes are equal. We have to show that altitudes are equal. So here we have the diagram. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So with AB which is equal to AC actually. So for this AB is equal to AC equal sides, we have draw the altitudes. This BE and CF are the altitudes of the triangle. BE and CF. So what we have to do in this problem is BE which is equal to CF we have to show. Let us write the given data. Okay. Given ABC, sorry. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. With AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. It is given actually. Okay. So now to prove what we have to prove here. To prove is these are altitudes. This BE and CF are altitudes. These altitudes are equal. So BE which is equal to CF we have to show. BE which is equal to CF we have to show. Okay, so now which triangles we have to take to reach the proof? Can you tell me? So we have the diagram actually. We are observing this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle. Now, for which triangle we can reach our proof easily? Which two triangles we have to choose here? AEB and AFC? AEB and AFC. Okay, AB and AFC only one choice. AEB and AFC in that we can cover BE and CF of course. Okay, is that only one choice? See, if we choose AEB and AFC, you have to think, can we choose any congruency criteria? You have to think that one. Okay. See here, if we consider AEB and AFC, what happened actually? AB is equal to AC. First one, okay, 1 over. Then AB is equal to AC over. Then which one we can use for the second data? Second one we can use angle A which is equal to angle A. Okay, angle A is equal to angle A. Which is the third one? Which is the third one? Hello, which is the third one? Yes, 90 degree. Yes, correct. This one. This AEB which is equal to AFC altitudes in the sense 90 degree. So in CPCT we can say this one. Okay. This is one thing, right? Correct. If we choose AEB and AFC, we can reach the proof. Now, some students, they will choose the triangles differently. They will choose this triangle. BEC and BFC. Can we choose this one? In triangle BEC and in triangle BFC. So one thing BC is BC common. Then which concept we can use? BC common over. Then which concept we can use? Angle B is equal to angle C we can use now because ABC is an isosceles triangle. If AB is equal to AC, then angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are always equal, no? So we can use angle B is equal to angle C, then angle this 90 degree, 90 degree. So both pair of triangles we can choose. That is your choice. You can choose any one pair of triangle for the congruency. Both are right. Okay. So yes, which one we are going to take now? Which two triangles? Mataji, we don't want to apply that property and all. We are going to take the direct. So if you want to do the direct, okay, then you have to choose this one. Like example problem. Okay, AEB, this triangle AEB and this triangle AFC. In a triangle, let us start the solution part. In a triangle AEB and in a triangle AFC. In a triangle AEB and in triangle AFC. So now what is actually first data? AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC given. This is first data. Now AB is equal to AC. Now which is the second data? Angle A is common for both the triangles, right? This concept we discussed in the example problems. Okay, so angle A which is equal to angle A common. Angle A is common for both the triangles. Next, which one? Angle AEB which is equal to angle AFC. Both are 90 degree. Okay, angle AEB which is equal to angle AFC. Both are 90 degree. This is also given data only. It is given in the problem only. AB is equal to AC, angle A is equal to angle A common, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Which congruency criteria? Which congruency criteria? This angle, okay, this side and this angle we use, no? So AAS congruency criteria. Therefore, triangle AEB congruence to triangle AFC according to AAS congruency criteria. Now, what we have to show actually? So we have to show that BE is equal to CF. These two altitudes are equal. Yes, of course. This BE and CF are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Yes, of course. BE which is equal to CF, CP, CT. BE which is equal to CF, CP, CT, because BE and CF are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Is that clear, students? Very simple sum, no? Yes. Same to same, you can choose these two triangles also. Okay. By applying the same AAS congruence only, you can reach the proof. Is that clear, students? Yes. Shall we start the discussion of fourth problem? Let us end the class for the discussion of fourth problem. Okay. So now the fourth question is, let us read the fourth problem now. Just look at the textbook carefully. Yes, fourth question is, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. See, you have to be very careful with this type of sentence. What you are understanding here, ABC is a triangle, just a triangle, not isosceles triangle. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. Now, which sides are equal? So, many students, they will confuse about this data. Which is a given data? Which one we have to show? Actually, see here, actually given is that BE and CF altitudes are equal here. Same to same. Then your AC and AB. What is that? AC and AB are not equal here. AC and AB not equal. It is not given in the problem. Exactly reverse problem for the third question. In third problem actually, AB and AC isosceles triangle sides, we have to show that altitudes are equal. But here in the fourth problem, altitudes are equal already given. We have to show that AB is equal to AC. Is that clear, students? Exactly reverse for the third problem. So that's why I want to continue this problem today only. Okay, so here this is the diagram. Actually same to same diagram, like third one only. A, B, C. Naming is same, no? A, B, C, S. This is E and this is F. These are altitudes only here also. Altitudes. Got the idea? So E and F. So now what is given actually for the fourth problem? Given is this altitudes are equal. BE which is equal to CF. Just observe the third problem. In the third problem, this BE and CF are in the to prove part. Now this is in the given part. Okay. So now what we have to prove here? To prove is, first question is triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. Triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF we have to prove. First one. Second one, we have to show that AB is equal to AC. Second part, AB is equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. If we show that AB is equal to AC, then ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is that clear, students? In the third problem, exactly opposite for the third question. In the third question, given to prove, now here exchanged, given and to prove. Altitudes are already equal, so we have to show that AB is equal to AC. First, let us concentrate on the first proof. ABE is congruence to ACF. Same to same triangle. ABE and ACF we have to show. Sorry. ABE and ACF we have to prove the congruency. Okay. Let us start the solution part now. First one, in a triangle ABE and in a triangle ACF. In a triangle ABE and in a triangle ACF. What you are observing? We cannot take AB is equal to AC now. Yes, angle A is equal to angle A common. Okay, angle A is equal to angle A common. Which is the next data? Angle A is equal to angle A common. Okay, which is the next data? Right angle. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Angle AEB which is equal to angle AFC 90 degree given. Okay, which is the next data? We have to use the given data. Yes, given is BE is equal to CF. Yes, now BE is equal to CF is given. So BE which is equal to CF given. Which congruency criteria? Which congruency criteria? This angle, and this side we used. Yes only, no? Yes, therefore triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF according to AAS. Same to same type of problem, no? Like third problem, just one data changed. Here, BE is equal to CF. In third problem, AB is equal to AC. Okay. Now, already these two triangles are said to be equal. What we have to say? What about AB and AC? AB and AC are corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So, CP, CT, AB is equal to AC. Second proof is also over. AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, ABC is an isosceles triangle now. Yes, therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Is that clear, students? Very simple, no? Third and fourth problem almost same. Just one given to prove exchanged in both the problem. Is that clear, students? This is about the fourth question. Okay, now already time is 11:24. So let us end the class for the four problems now. Remaining four problems we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, we'll spend the next one period for the discussion of the next four problems. Then we'll move on to the next topic. Is that clear? I think 4 to 5 periods needed to complete this topic. It's okay. We'll take time. So we'll understand the concept properly. No? So that is important. Completing the syllabus. So we can complete this year's syllabus. Okay. This is not a big task. Okay. So but whatever we are learning in the online class, that must be clear. So that's why we are discussing all the problems, this geometry problems, we are discussing all the problems on the board. Okay, yes. So if you are having any confusion regarding this concept, you can ask now. Otherwise, we'll end the class. Yes, do you have any confusion? So today's homework is whatever the pending work is there now. So you have to complete that one. So then you have to write the notes part of this triangle topic, right? Yes, you just complete that one, okay? Yes, no doubt, Mataji, no doubt. So about these four problems, you are not having. If you have any pending work, you just complete that one, okay? That is the homework. So after the 10th standard class, I'll send that theorems, okay? You got the first exercise solution, no? Yes, up to first exercise, you just write, okay?